Yeah, baby. Josh here with DepriveD Productions. I'm back, and I got a gun. Okay, I'll shoot you. I'm just playing. I miss you guys. Love you guys. I'm so excited to be back, man. Had to build this new PC. Gotta get that, gotta get that i9, bro. And that 2080 Super. You ain't know nothing about that. Anyway, back in UE4, guys, UMG tutorial number 3, real fast. Want to talk about custom fonts, adding them. Basically, it's really simple, but I'm going to show it off on UMG because that's one of the main places you'll use it. So let's jump right in. Check it out. This is super easy. I want you guys to explain or understand how easy this is, so it'll be really fast. But I'm going to go ahead and open up the first-person character blueprint because we're going to go ahead and build our widget blueprint in here after we create it. So what I'll do is I'll go to content and we'll just create our DP folder right here, guys, because we need it. We need that DP. I'm in it. I'm deep in it. Right click. We'll go ahead and go to user interface like we have in our other couple tutorials, UMG style, widget blueprint. I'm gonna name it UMG, bro. I'm gonna keep it simple. You know what I'm talking about? And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a text in here. So all we have to do is type up here, go up here, type in the word text, bro, and we're gonna drag it in like that. Now, obviously with it selected, I'm gonna set the font to maybe 50, and then maybe stretch my box out, stretch it out a little bit. To fit around the word up, if you can find it, there you go. Kind of set it in the middle there. Now, there we go. No big deal. Just want it kind of in the middle. It does say text block. I'm like, let's make it say nice. Okay, nice. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Compile and save, and we're done. Now, just for fun, we can go ahead, go into our character blueprint, right? Event begin play, bruh. Begin play again. This is gonna be a super quick tutorial. Create widget blueprint, right? We've been here before. We've been talking about, or just create widget. I'm sorry, plug it in. Now you have to go in here and tell it which one you're using. We're using one that's called UMG. Right click, promote to variable. Why not? Name it UMG widget, bro. The best I can spell. Okay. Drag a line, type in word add to viewport, and we're done. Now, we can go ahead and compile and save, just like we did in the last couple tutorials. Alt-P, we're in here, and I got a gun, okay? I got one, okay? So don't make me mad. But nice, right? It's nice. It's a little crooked, okay? That's fine. But here's what I want to talk about. Custom fonts. And you guys are like, well, how do you add a custom font? It's actually really easy, and you can do it right here. But there's a couple things you got to know. One, if you want some free fonts, you need to go right now to Google and go to freaking DeFont Sun, okay? D-A-F-O-N-T, Google it, go to this website. You got all kind of them. I mean, all kind of them. Anything you want, it's all free. It's all royalty free. Do what you want, add them, do your thing. I mean, I've even seen them in Fortnite and stuff like that. They literally came from this same thing, I'm telling you. So grab it. Anyway, the point is, I downloaded one, right? So now that I'm back, I go into my content browser, my DP, I download one. It'll give you a couple files. I got them here on my desktop, right? I'm gonna drag one in, just drop it in like that. Snap. It's gonna say a bunch of questions. Yes, all, because I ain't got time. Now, listen, it added a couple things here, okay? Don't even pay any attention. It's got the font, like the font, okay? And then it's got the font face, okay? No big deal. Don't worry about it. Now, of course, you want to double check. You can check out here and see which one it was. Double click. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, the quick fox jumps brown. Fox. Okay, but the point is, let's full screen this again and go back in here. Now, I'm going to go back into the UMG, right? And all I have to do is literally, with the text selected, oh, and by the way, idiot alert right here, anchor it to the middle, son. Okay, you got to be anchored, bro. Click on nice. Go over here to font family. And it will be right here. Now, we didn't name it. We could have named it whatever we wanted, but boom, there it is now. So now we have that word, and I'm gonna make it a little bigger. You know what I'm talking about? Because I like it when it gets bigger. And I'm gonna put it down a little bit like this. Yeah, baby. Center it real nice. Put it right there, and boom, we got our own text. Says nice. Compile, save. But again, it's your own font. You pulled it off of the website, and we'll go back to the viewport. F11, Alt-P, nice. Okay. I have it on the screen using custom font. I got a gun, okay? I have a gun, so agree with me, okay? It's sweet. Add your own custom font, okay? Guys, you got to check out thefont.com. Just type in, go to Google, the font. It's where it's at. It's where you want to be for custom unique fonts. Dude, thousands. It doesn't even make sense. There's so many. But guys, man, I love you guys so much. Miss you. Almost 1,200 subscribers. I've been gone for about 12 days. New PC. We had to get it built. Start over, start scratch. We're not completely done, and I know I sound a little funny. I may for a couple videos. I won't sound exactly like I did before because I have a few things to still get running. You know what I'm talking about? But thank you guys so much. DepriveD Productions. Hit up the YouTube channel, DepriveD Productions. We're going to have all kind of tutorials over the next few days. I'm going to pump out a ton, okay? So there's tons of videos coming. We're going to throw a bunch at you at once to catch up. You know what I'm talking about? So thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, DepriveD Productions. Hit up Facebook, DepriveD Productions. Go hit up DepriveD with a capital D at the beginning, capital D at the end on SoundCloud and Bandcamp. New EP coming out in 10 days, bro. Get your hands on it. Don't wait. I'll keep you updated. Don't worry about that. But anyway, guys, Josh signing off. So good to be back. You have no idea how excited I am. Love you. Miss you. Peace.